There are moments in Cebu's food story that feel like a shift, a turning point. And today, we are standing right at the center of one of them. I'm Priya Padilla-Roleda for CDN Digital. Here at Sheraton Cebu Mactan Resorts, Dip Nikkei has just made history as one of Cebu's first restaurants officially selected for a Michelin Guide, putting our island into the global culinary map. This feature is in partnership with Sheraton Cebu Mactan. Dip is Cebu's first authentic Peruvian Nikkei restaurant. And this recognition affirms the team's passion for genuine Peruvian Japanese flavors, as well as their commitment to excellence in every detail. This selection now puts them on the map as a world-class dining destination here in Mactan. Today, we step inside the heart of Dip Nikkei to explore the story, the people, and the dishes that elevate this homegrown concept to world-class status. We're here right now with Dip Nikkei's Chef de Cuisine, Chef Rodrigo Serrano. Hey Chef, congratulations on your Michelin recognition.
Thank you so much. Welcome to Dip.
Well, I've been very curious. What exactly is the concept of Dip Nikkei? Why is it Dip Nikkei?
Okay, Dip Nikkei is a Peruvian Japanese restaurant. Actually, the concept was born in Peru almost more than 150 years ago with the first Japanese immigration to Peru. This is this kitchen burning when the descendants of the Japanese rising in Peru, and they try to blend their own food, but like all the cultures, when they start to growing, they mix and blend with the local products, and after that, slowly they start to fusion with the local culture. Nikkei as word means like burning out Japan. It's a people who burn out Japan. And
they're Japanese but not born in Japan.
Exactly.
Right? With Sheraton Cebu Mactan setting new standards in hospitality and dining, every experience here reflects their commitment to excellence and innovation. From thoughtfully curated spaces to world-class service, the resort continues to elevate what it means to visit Cebu. Now, with Dip Nikkei officially Michelin selected, this dedication takes on a new dimension. We spoke with the Sheraton executives to find out what this recognition means for the resort, the restaurant, and how it will guide their vision for the future.
This is in Dip. Actually, we are making a Peruvian Japanese food. Since we are very close to Japan, we always try to go close to the Peruvian roots.
I'm also curious about which actually is which. Is it Peruvian with Japanese process or like techniques and methods in cooking? Or is it Japanese with Peruvian techniques and methods in cooking?
Yeah, as I mentioned before, actually now it's a totally blend. Before, we can say it's more like a Japanese technique in Peruvian flavors. Then they start to evolution, and even we can say there is a Peruvian dishes with Japanese influence. And now I feel like in these times, it's a fusion totally, no?
Chef, the Peruvian Nikkei concept is actually very unique.
Yes.
So now that you have been Michelin selected, how does that feel? What does it make you feel, considering you presented something very unique? Not a lot of restaurants actually offer this kind of cuisine, but you you have been selected as a heart of the Michelin Guide. How does that make you feel?
Yeah, actually, for me and the team, it was something we feel very proud. I mean, before there is a Michelin, right? We were doing the food as we know in the best way for our guest satisfaction. And then we are working in the business of hotels. For us, the guest is number one. I can say, as Peruvian, there is a small market still of Peruvian chefs that will start to immigrate to Asia to show the Peruvian food, no? I think we are different. I don't know. Maybe because we blend the the local scene, no?
But you think, do you see the Peruvian Nikkei cuisine growing because of this recognition?
Of course, I'm pretty sure soon more restaurant Peruvian Nikkei is gonna open in Philippines, not only in Philippines, in Asia.
Chef, what do you think made you get recognized by Michelin? What exactly is it? Your food, your service, the way you prepare it? What exactly? What was the secret ingredient?
Actually, hard to reply this. I do so there is no secret. Just the secret is to make the thing of you love, you like, to push ahead, to try to keep the standards, and always to make the consistency of the food. No, so the consistency is the most difficult thing. In this case, it's not happening. Always we have a very nice team that we push each other to always keep the consistency the same level. And in the end, the guest is the one gonna feel these things. And maybe Michelin see that. I don't know in which moment they come to evaluate us, but probably more than 2 or 3 times, and they understand the concept, no? And as I like to mention, since you come deep, it's a full experience.
So what's the next step now? What's the next plan? Are we gonna have a revamp of the menu? What?
Yes, they are motivated now, really. Actually, we are creating a special menu inspired of our best dishes. Actually, we call kind of Michelin Select Inspiration. The menu is calling Mar and Raíces because it's gonna show the sea and the roots, no? That in Peru we call Pachamama or the Mother Earth because it's the one gives all the products to us, no? Yeah.
So that's something to really look forward to. So again, Chef, thank you very much and
Thank you so much.
congratulations on your recognition.
Yes, thank you.
Chef.
Thank you.
Dip Nikkei's Michelin selection is a testament to creativity, discipline, and the belief that Cebu deserves a seat on the global culinary table. Don't just hear about it. Come and discover why Cebu is now on the global food map. I'm Priya Padilla-Roleda. Join us again next time as we uncover more stories that celebrate Cebu's best.